One of the most important life lessons that I've learned is the importance of knowledge. Not just learning, but also teaching it as well. Knowledge ultimately has value when it's exchanged, when it's transferred, when it's taught, and when somebody else learns it. My name is Hector Garcia. I'm a small business owner in Miami. I'm a proud Latino helping the community as an accountant, QuickBooks advisor, and educational content creator for other small business owners. I create educational video content about accounting and QuickBooks in both English and Spanish. I remember in 2008, during the recession, I was working in the bank, and this was the peak of small business owners struggling to get financing. I saw the opportunity to leave the bank and start my own business with my wife. My wife and I got certified in QuickBooks when we started, and we used it as a catalyst for change. 2 or 3 years into my business, I was still struggling to find clients and had a phone call from a training company. I remember she asked me if I did any QuickBooks training, and I said yes. They gave me the gig, and I went literally the next weekend. Then I bought a video camera, I set it up in my house, then I recorded myself teaching. So I was super nervous. But once I saw they were ready to learn, that energized me, and that's when I knew that I was meant to teach. That was the way I can impact small businesses, not just by being their accountant or doing accounting, by empowering them and teaching them how to use QuickBooks on their own so they can control their own finances. One of the most rewarding things is to receive emails and phone calls from our clients, particularly fellow Latinos, thanking us for helping them thrive in the community. In Spanish, we get a particularly awesome response because these people want to learn in their language, and it helps them bridge the gap to better understand their finances and how to run their businesses. Tenemos los fixed assets, que son los activos fijos, maintenance and repairs, que es como mantenimiento y reparo. One of the common issues I see with small business owners is hesitancy over giving up the control of their finances. So I help them use QuickBooks, and I teach them customized reports can monitor what everybody does and touches. That way you can give up control, but then every day you can log in and see the audit trail and see who did what. That way we can delegate work across multiple team members and how to collaborate with their accountant. Many people have asked me, why would you go out and do videos and teach everything that you know when that's what clients can pay you for? Why would you give away your knowledge for free? As a teacher and a trainer, one of the most important life lessons that I've learned is the importance of knowledge. If the knowledge is sitting in your head and no one knows that you know it, or no one can learn from what you have learned, it has no value. The value of knowledge is zero until it's taught. Think about having a $100 bill in your pocket. You can forget about it. It has no intrinsic value. That $100 bill will have value when you do what? When you exchange it. At that point, that piece of paper that previously had no value, all of a sudden has value when you exchange it for something. I believe that knowledge is the same thing. So knowledge ultimately has value when it's exchanged, when it's transferred, when it's taught, and when somebody else learns it. I live every day with intensity, whether it's teaching or working or loving. I do it every day with intensity and with passion. And I think that if you can find a moment in your life that can define what gives you strength and passion, you want to harness that and leverage that, utilize it to make the best out of each day of your life.